welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I have ordered some stuff from China, so it's already here, which is good. So this is the Type-C to HDMI cable, which you can use with your phone to, if you want to play games on your phone but you want to share your screen on the PC and then share it later on. So this is very helpful with that. And I have one more thing. This is from HDMI to VGA cable. If you have an old monitor, you can use with that to extend your screen, which I'm gonna use it because I have the old monitor. It will help me to see while playing game. I can just put the Steam Labs, which I use on the other screen, so I can see what's going on with that, which is very helpful. So these are two things. Let's move forward and see what we have here. Okay, so this is a USB 2.0 hub, and these are has everything. For every single USB you have a separate button, so you can turn on or off, which is very convenient. If you plug in a lot of stuff different chargers, different phones, so you can just plug in all of them, but turn them on and off. It will look like very big, but it's quite small. The USB 2.0 hub, which is very convenient. As you can see, it is also USB, so you can just simply, if you want to charge something, you have a lot of USBs. Plus you can turn off and on them individually, so which is I think very nice feature with this. Hopefully it works, since it's from wish.com. So this is the foam I was talking about, the soundproofing that I'm gonna use in my studio room to reduce the echo noise in the room. As you guys already know, if you're recording in the room, there will be a lot of echo. So let's see. Right now they are quite thin. As you can see, they literally pressed it. I think they are eight pieces. So let me get the knife and I will be back. Okay, so let's open them and see. I have a lot of packaging on them to keep them pressed. Okay. So these things, guys, you can use for the soundproofing. They are quite thin though. I don't know how long it's gonna take them to to get the air back. So I think I have to leave them for a few hours before they increase their size. As you can see, it's very thin right now, but they will increase their size once I leave them for a few hours, and they are already increasing their size. So I guess I have to leave them. Although on the pictures that they post there, they were looking very nice and big, but in the actual they are looking very small. It was supposed to be 12 by 12, but for some reason they look small. So how many I have? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this to put on the wall to do the soundproofing in your room, which is very nice with this stuff. So let me just put this on side because I have 8 more. I have 16, you can see here. So these are the red one because I did order the different color, so I can do the good combo if I put them on the wall. So when you put these on the wall, you have to be very careful, because you don't want to remove the paint on your wall. So what you have to do is, I will show you guys how to install them. I'm gonna put some tape on the wall and then glue them on the tape so I don't damage the wall. Okay, here we go. The red ones, as you can see, the pattern. These ones looks nicer a little bit than the black ones, but they are quite thin right now. Hopefully they get their size back faster. Okay, let me show you the black ones that I already opened. This looks like they're getting their size, as you can see, already back, but it's still gonna need some time. You see this side, this is like quite big already, see, and so look at this one, it's thin right now. It's gonna take time for them to open. Let's see, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I hope I did not damage anything. 6, 7, 8. So all I have to do is now to wait for them to get their shape back, and then I will show you guys how to install them.
Okay guys, so I had an idea, so I thought I should use the heat gun. So it's like a hair dryer, and if you use the hot air, the foam will extract immediately, as you can see in the video, and it really helped me and saved me time a lot. Instead of waiting them, I can just use the heat gun or hair dryer. As you can see, it's extracting pretty fast, so that's what I did with the rest of them instead of waiting. So in the next video I will show you guys installation of these on the wall. So I thought I should just show you this trick. This is very useful. As you can see, guys, the difference. Look at this one and look at here. So you can literally use the hair dryer or heat gun to get them work faster if you want. So that's a good thing, good idea with that.
I'll put on the background. So last thing, very last thing, but this is the favorite thing that I have. Let's open it and show you guys. Hopefully we can open it without damaging it, because I don't know how they pack from everywhere. Okay, I guess I don't need to use knife. So I tell you guys, this is painting, so that's why I don't use knife to destroy it. Guess guys, what painting it could be. So if you guys want to order these, you can order from Wish app, but you can also order from the you can also order from Amazon. I did not know, I did not see on Amazon. I thought maybe the price is different, but they were available on Amazon as well, because from Wish it's gonna take a long time for it to arrive, but from Amazon it will be a little bit earlier. And this packing, here we go, finally. Pipe, I don't know why is it here. Okay guys, so moment of truth, and still there is a tape on it. Okay, alright guys, here we go. As you can see, what do you think guys, how it is? This Kamehameha from Ultra Instinct Goku. Okay, the painting is nice, I'm impressed. It's gonna look nice in the background while I do live streaming. Plus I can put this while recording as well, which is very nice. Yep, so I'll show you once again. You can see. Okay. So this is it guys, hopefully you enjoy the video, and I will be back when I will install these things, soundproofing foam on the wall, and we'll show you guys how it looks. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys next time.